Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a nice geometry problem. We have a triangle. The length of this side is 6 unit and this side length is 8 unit. And this red line is a median of this triangle, which is divided into two equal parts. The length of this part is 4 unit. We have to find the length of this red line. Consider the triangle is A, B, C, and the center of this line BC is D, and the length of this unknown red line consider as X. As AD is the median of this triangle, so according to Apollonius theorem, we can write AB square plus this AC square is equal to 2 times of this BD square plus this AD square. According to Apollonius theorem, we got it. Or now substitute the value of this side length. We can write AB. This is 6 unit, so AB square is 6 square plus AC square. The side length of this AC is 8, so 8 square is equal to this 2 times of BD square. BD is 4 unit, so 4 square plus AD square, this unknown length, which is considered as X. So we can write X square. We have to find the value of X from this equation. Or 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64 is equal to right side. This 2 times of 4 square is 16 plus this X square. Or 36 plus 64, this is 100, is equal to right side 2 times this 16 plus X square. Or now divided both side by 2, we will get 100 divided by 2 is equal to right side 2 times of this 16 plus X square total divided by 2. We have divided both sides by this 2. Or 100 divided by 2, this is 50, is equal to this 2 and this 2 will cancel out and it will remain 16 plus X square. Or taking this 16 to left side, we will get 50 minus 16 is equal to right side will remain X square. Or writing this right side, x square is equal to 50 minus 16, this is 34. So right side will be 34, or taking square root to both sides, we will get the value of x is equal to square root of right side, this is 34, and the approximate value of this x is 5.83, and the length of this red line approximate will be 5.83 unit. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.